Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google form for your business. Maybe you want to be able to pre-qualify your clients, or maybe you want to create a Google form to find out stuff from people like a questionnaire, or you want to just know a few details before you go into what you want to do. You can use a Google form to achieve that. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process of how to create a Google form. Now, creating a Google form is very easy if you already know what you are looking for or why you are creating the Google form. So in today's example, I'm going to be creating a Google form for people who want to build websites for their businesses. So I don't just need any kind of person, right? So the essence is we want to be able to pre-qualify these people so that we can decide if we want to work with them or not. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process of how you can do that in this video. So make sure that you don't skip any part of this video. If this is your first time of coming onto this channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I show you things you can do that can help you make money and grow your business. So right away, before I get into the video, just do me a favor by liking this video, subscribing, and making sure to turn on your notification bell. I believe you don't want to miss all of the things I'll be sharing on this channel. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how to create a Google form for your business. So to do that, as you can see right here, I'm using my Google Chrome. Okay, you have Google Chrome on your phone, so check for that and click that. It will bring you here. So the next thing we're going to do is to come here and type forms.google. Are you seeing this now? So the same way it is on this top search area here, forms.google.com, and you're going to see untitled form. So just click on that untitled form. So this is the results that we are getting for what we searched for. So you come to the top one here and click on the top one that says Google Forms sign in. Remember, you need a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can't do this. So you need a Gmail account for this to work for you. All right. So if you don't have a Gmail account, make sure to open one. It's very easy to create a Gmail account. So what do we do next? Now we need to title our form. Okay. Now I have created a title somewhere in my notepad. So let me just pick that title. Let me just pick the title. We are creating, remember, we are doing this for people who are interested in web design. All right. They want to build web design for their business, but we don't just want any kind of person who cannot pay for our service. That's why we are giving them this form. All right. So if they fill the form and then from our back end, you discover that they've been able to meet up with your expectations with the process, then you can decide whether this is the people you work with. Then you put a call to them to discuss further on the other modalities of working with them. Are you getting this now? So this is something you can apply for your business. So you don't just be getting all kinds of people coming to you, people who cannot pay for your service. All right. I would have said apply to work with our Gmam, but I'm not doing that because I don't know who is going to be seeing this form. It might be people that can pay 10 times what I can offer, and then you'll be saying apply to work with. It won't make sense. So instead we used website design assessment form. Can you see it now? A very good language for anybody that can pay us. So that is that we have titled the form. So the next thing to do is to describe our form. What is the form about? So I'll still go back to my notepad. So this is our description for the form. I'm going to copy it. When you're doing your own, you should already have what you want to insert in the form. You should have it ready, so you'll not be thinking plenty. All right, you'll not be brainstorming too much. So we paste it here. Are you seeing this now? So the description says, I want to help 5 business owners to build and host their website for more visibility and client attraction. With a fully functional website, you can with a fully functional website, you don't have to be physically present. You don't have to be physically present to sell. You can sell, you can take orders and sell to anyone from any part of the world. Are you seeing this now? So that is that. Now let me add something now. This form, remember, we're doing this practically, so just follow me. This form will help us determine whether to work with you or not. This form will help me determine your readiness. Are you seeing this now? We don't want to sound too proud, so we have to be careful about the words we are using. All right, so I think this is cool enough. So should we add something else? Yes, let's add something. If let's say if your business meets the requirements, and if you are selected, yes, let's use that. If you are selected, you will receive an email a message from me. Yes, I think this is fair enough and this is good enough for us to use. So let's start inputting our questions now. Our question now, question one. The question one will say, what is your email, right? Your name. What's your name? That's what question one will say. At least we need to know who we are working with, right? What's your name? Your name. What's your name? And we need to make this compulsory, right? We need to make it compulsory, right? So let's we need to make this a compulsory question that they must answer, right? So how do we actually do that? We come to this place that says required and we turn it on. Are you seeing it now? We turn it on. Are you seeing it now? So we turn it on. So they must be able to answer this before they move forward. If they cannot answer it, then they can't move forward. Are you getting that? That's the essence of why we put required. Are you seeing it now? So once we do that, you will see that this star will show there. So they have to insert their names. All right. So the next part now is let me remove this. Let me delete this. So let's create the next question now. The next question will be for us to add that, we click on this plus that you see here. You click on plus and then it will open this for us now. So the next question is, what's the next question? The next question is your email. your email. Are you seeing this now? Okay. Short answer. We'll make it required again. Are you seeing it now? So the next question now, let's go to the next question. The next question says, what businesses are you into? Write it down. What businesses? What businesses are you into? Now, it may be one business, it may be plenty business, but let's just put it as one business. Okay. What business are you into? We'll make it required. And then we'll make the answer long answer. Are you getting now? So okay, good. So the next question now, you keep adding this place that says plus, you keep clicking on it to give you more options. Are you getting now? So click on that and add the next question. The next question will be, what is the location of your business? What is the location of your business? All right. So we make it required. We must make it required. Are you getting it? Very, very important. You must make it required so that they cannot pass if they cannot answer it. Are you getting it? So we click on plus again, and then the next question. The next question we say, what other digital services? What other digital services? What other digital services? Let me correct this very well. What other digital services or support do you need for your business? Are you seeing this now? So that at least, even if it's not just, even if they need something more than the website design, they can also include that. Are you getting this now? So we make it required. Are you seeing? Okay. So the next one, let's continue. We need to add one or two things just to make it look fine-tuned, more refined. Let's use short answer. Okay. So I think our form is ready. We don't need to put too much. All right. So once we are done with this, we just click on this arrow here. All right. Click on this arrow here. Form is already published. Now we say anyone with the link. So once we say anyone with the link, all right, once we copy the link and send to anybody, they will be able to fill it. Are you getting now? Once they fill it, we are going to be getting our responses from here, from this place. Are you getting now? We are going to be getting our responses from here. So it is based on the response now. You now decide what next to do, whether to call them, whether to send an email to them, and then discuss further things with them. All right. So I'm going to be publishing this now. Let me just publish it. So I'll just click on publish. All right. So once you click on publish, your form is ready. Are you seeing this now? Simple response. You say what? Let's just say got it. The form is already published. Are you getting this now? You saved. Let's save it. Are you seeing now? So the form is already published. So what we are going to do is just to copy the link. So for us to be able to preview, we're going to come here and click on these three lines, three vertical dots. Click on it and click on preview, so we can see what our form looks like. All right. I think there's an issue with my network, so let's just wait. Good. So you can see on top here is showing published. So we can copy the link now. Once we copy the link and send, anybody that fills the form, we are going to get the response from the back end. So this is what our form looks like. Can you see? Very, very smooth. Very, very smooth. Are you seeing it now? okay, there's a problem with our form. We did not add the cost of what we'll be doing the business, the cost of what it will cost them to do the business, which is very, very important. All right, you don't want any kind of person that cannot pay for your service, so we need to add the cost of doing that business with us. So we'll go back to the editing, which is this place, and click on it to edit it. Are you getting now? So we are back to our form, and then we need to add something. So let's come here. And change this short answer. I think I'm looking for a yes or no. I'm looking for a yes or no answer. So we come here and say, let me look for short answer. Remove it from multiple choice and put option 1, yes. Add another one. Another one will be no. Are you seeing it now? So we say required. Are you seeing it now? So what's the question now? Let's say the question will be talking about how much we are doing our service. So if they don't have the money, they will fall off. If they have the money, they will fill it up. Are you getting it now? So let's fix the question now. We say the average cost in brackets service charge plus service charge plus hosting and setting up for your website is between let's put naira 250k to 500k. Are you seeing this now? Do you have up to that? Do you have up to that to invest? You see the language I'm using. I'm very careful about the language I'm using because I know the kind of clients that I want. I don't want people that cannot pay for my service. So you can implement this also for your own business. All right, invest on development of the websites. Are you seeing this now? So if they don't have the money, they will just fall off. Is either they tell you yes or no if they don't have it. Are you getting this now? So we have a yes or no question. So we have made it required. So once we fix in this now, we now add one more question. We say any other questions. We want to hear from them if they have any other questions they want to ask. So we make this a longer answer, like paragraph, so that if they want to say more things, we can make it required if they want. And then the next thing is to go ahead and publish. All right, we save it. Once you save it now, let's preview. Let's see what our form looks like. Are you seeing now? So the average cost of hosting, can you see everything now is there? Are you seeing now? Every other thing is there. All right, we even put it in front for anybody that if they don't even like it, they will fall off. Or are you seeing this now? So once they fill this one yes or no, then you know that okay, they are very, very serious people and they have the capacity to pay you. All right, so we just copy the link and share to people, and once they fill it, you can go ahead and call them and discuss anything further. So this is exactly how to create your Google form for your business. I believe that you got value from this. If you got value from this video, kindly like the video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. If you have a question for me, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, just check the link in the description. All right, check the link in the description for all the links I'm going to be dropping. If you want to learn how to build a website, also check the link in the description. Comment, share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.